in this video I will show you how to upload videos to YouTube from Android. As you get right there on that point, the main thing it is to go right down on that third option or the plus icon creator section, which is for uploading videos. Just go tap on that selection, go upload a video, the first selection, then select the video which is related on your interest, for example this one. After you get done with all that stuff, you can simply tap right here to edit that video on that filter side, and I'm gonna go with this one. When you're ready, after that, simply go create a title. You're gonna get the title right here, and then you can add description, whatever you want. You can simply describe what's going on that video and all that stuff. You can add your location. You can take the visibility to public or private, unlisted, all that stuff. You can also schedule it if you want, and you can add to a playlist, but I'm gonna do it right now for next on my right upper side. Then you can select if you want to get the videos made for kids or no. I will go no, it's not made for kids. And right now the upload has been started, as you can see right down, and you will need to wait some time to get to the full segment to that uploaded video.